Gandhian Seva and Satyagraha Brigade GSSB has conducted a Satyagraha for clean politics free of corruption and criminality from 29th July to 14th August 2013 at New Delhi. The Satyagraha commenced on Monday the 29th July 2013 at 10 a.m. and it was conducted up to 5 p.m. every day till 14th August 2013, that is for 17 days, the Satyagraha will be conducted at Delhi. The opening day Satyagraha on 29 July 2013 was participated by two freedom fighters, that is Sri Gauranga Sundar Mitra and Sri Sambhudatta. On the closing day on 14th August, the Satyagrahis shall be Sri Dharmveer Paliwal, General Secretary FFS, and Sri D.R. Gureja, Secretary GSSB. The Satyagraha shall be conducted in the Gandhian way with due decorum and dignity as per the list. It shall be concerned citizens' silent moral protest against corruption and criminality in Indian politics, including electoral corruption. The Satyagraha shall commence every day at 10 a.m. with tape recorded Vande Mataram and end at 5 p.m. with Jana Gana Mana at Jantar Mantar. There will be no eating during 10 to 5. Only drinking water was allowed. Two Satyagrahis daily will be on Satyagraha by rotation. Rest will be visitors who will sign the visitors book and leave at their convenience. The specific demand addressed to the two leading political parties, Indian National Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party, and to the Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Ministers concerned to clean politics free of corruption and criminality. Regarding the demand of GSSB for forfeiture of property acquired illegally or by corrupt means, this necessary legislation has been enacted by several states and they are now implementing their forfeiture of property laws. But the central government is not moving at all, hence this Satyagraha. GSSB is also consulting with a few lawyers and retired judges to file a writ petition before the Supreme Court. Essentials of a Gandhian Satyagraha. Satyagraha is a tapasya for truth. There is no room for untruth or violence in a Satyagraha. In Satyagraha, there is no enemy. A Satyagrahi knows no defeat. A Satyagrahi bids goodbye to fear. He is therefore never afraid of trusting the opponent. Even if the opponent plays him false 20 times, the Satyagrahi is ready to trust him the 21st time, for an implicit trust in human nature is the very essence of his greed. Satyagraha is gentle. If never wounds, it must not be the result of anger or malice. It is never fussy, never impatient, never vociferous. It is the direct opposite of compulsion. It was conceived as a complete substitute for violence. The hardest heart and the grossest ignorance must disappear before the rising sun of suffering without anger and without malice. In every great cause, it is not the number of fighters that counts, but it is the quality of which they are made that becomes the deciding factor. The greatest men of the world have always stood alone. Demands addressed to the two leading parties, Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party. Kindly do not allow your party tickets to persons against whom criminal cases for heinous crimes may be going on in law courts. Kindly do not accept any donation or receipt of money, large or small, in cash or kind, without issuing your party's receipt. In short, neither take nor give number 2 black funds. Kindly direct your candidates to do likewise and also not to exceed the stipulated election expenses limits. demands addressed to the Honorable Prime Minister of India and the Honorable Ministers concerned. Please enact the promised legislation without further delay for forfeiture of property acquired illegally or by corrupt means. The enforcement of Prohibition of Benami Transaction Act 1988 or its revised version introduced in Parliament in 2011. Both these demands were recommended by the Administrative Reforms Commission in 2007 and accepted by UPA government in 2008 but not implemented. Date-wise schedule for Satyagrahis. On Monday the 29th July 2013, Sri Gaurang Sundar Mitra and Sri Sambhu Datta. On Tuesday 30th July, Dr. S.K. Agarwal, Sri Murarilal Gupta. On 31st July, Wednesday, Dr. Vikram Chopra, Sri Ved Prakash. On 1st August, Thursday, Lieutenant Colonel B.L. Bhatt and Sri J.S. Rana. On 2nd August, Friday, Sri Ajay Sahay. On 3rd August, Saturday, Sri Bhagwan Das Talwar. On 4th August, Sunday, Sri Dhirendra Singh, Sri Hariram Verma, Sri Hargobind Singh. On 5th August, Monday, General Captain S.C. Bahari, Sri E. James Rajsekharan. On 6th August, Tuesday, Principal A.K. Tripathi, Sri Piyush. On 7th August, Wednesday, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Ravinder Kumar. On 8th August, Thursday, Sri G.N. Srinivasava and Dr. Sailendar. On 9th August, Friday, Srimati Prem Devi Sastri, Himachal Pradesh, Srimati Sasi Sarma, Uttar Pradesh. On 10th August, Saturday, Sri Vedram from Rajasthan, Dr. Sailendar. On 11th August, Sunday, Sri Satyananda Goji, Sri Ram Prasad Verma, Sri Syam Narayan. On 12th August, Monday, Sri Ram Rao Kulkarni from Karnataka, Dr. Sailendar. On 13th August, Tuesday, Sri Deepak Malviya, Uttar Pradesh and Dr. Sailendar. On 14th August, Wednesday, Sri Dharmir Paliwal, Sri D.R. Gureja.